Now, the last thing that we are going to do, and this does not have to line up to any of this. You could actually, if you really wanted to, kind of fold this back like this so that we have this front cover, is what we are going to do right now is we are going to write the key concepts of physical changes. These are the three things that you need to ask yourself when you are looking at something to figure out, is it a physical or is it a chemical change? So the first one is that the form of the matter is altered, and that word altered means that it is changed, but no, and very important, no new substance is made. Okay, so that basically means that that the form, the shape of something is is changed, kind of like in our Play-Doh right here. The form has changed, but no new substance has been created. A next thing that you guys need to kind of ask yourself is, can you go back to what you had before? So in this, it says you can, what you're going to write is you can go back to what you had before. Okay, so if you think about it, guys, think about this piece of paper. I can tape all of that back up and I would still have paper. I can take this water and I can freeze it and make it into an ice cube. I can take my Play-Doh snake and I can turn it back into that blob. So when you are thinking about it is, can you go back to what you had before? And then the last thing that you really, excuse me, want to ask yourself is there a new substance, new substance created? A new substance, I'm asking that question. A new substance is not, and I'm going to put not in big bold. So a new substance is not created. Okay, so you can kind of go back and look at your flip book now, and I'm going to kind of fold that back up because remember that's my cover. Is that when I think about this, this is paper. This is paper. Even though the form has changed, the shape has changed, it's still paper, and I could make that back into that big piece of paper. The ice and the water. Well, ice is made from water, so I can take that water back and make it into an ice cube. It's not any different. Same thing if I would have made like a Kool-Aid ice cube and I melted it, it would have been Kool-Aid. I could take that Kool-Aid and turn it back into that ice. So nothing new is created. When I've changed the shape, it's still Play-Doh. It doesn't change. Okay, so we're going to be learning about what a chemical change is. And remember, a chemical change is going to be a new substance is created. Physical changes, no new substance is ever created.